Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, an active Firebase project and Firestore enabled. Once done, install the Firebase CLI and run Firebase login so you can authenticate. You should initialize your project with Firebase in it and choose Firestore. This creates necessary config files. Make sure to select the correct project ID when prompted. You're starting the creation process now, so don't skip authentication or initialization. They let you deploy rules and interact with Firestore safely from your machine. Now you create the collection itself. In the Firebase console, click Database, then Create Collection and provide a collection ID and initial document. Alternatively, in code, use the SDK call Firestore, collection, call, doc ID, set, to add documents programmatically. You do this because collections are containers for documents and document store fields and subcollections. Make sure to define consistent field types and document ID strategies. Consistency simplifies queries and indexing. To finish, deploy security rules with Firebase. Deploy only Firestore, rules and test access patterns using the rules playground. You want secure, least privilege access. If queries combine multiple fields, create composite indexes in the console or index configuration so reads don't fail. Monitor usage quotas and console logs to catch permission or index errors. If something breaks, check rule evaluation order and error messages. Most failures are rule denials or missing indexes, and fixing those resolves the majority of creation and query issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.